Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 24 by 12 inch canvas and a little schmutz and a clean OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, which I will use to install my sky, I think. And I don't know what my sky is going to be like. I think I want it to be dusk or twilight, but I think I'm also going to be freely inventing as I go along. And I don't know if it'll work, but I am looking for that right there. I have a few too many colors in my way. I kind of want some turquoise in there too, actually. What's it feel like to want? This was just open a moment ago. Okay, well, give me just 1 second. And that right on my chin. Alright, so something's coming out of there. I'm going to take some of that paint and put it right over the edge right now. I'm going to drag this paint up to the top for the same reason. Just going to let whatever wants to happen up there right now that covers that edge be the solution. And I can go back later and deal with it if I want to. And right now, if I run a finger across, I can get some kind of coverage. I'm going to back push. I'm going to pull my paint and then back push it off the blade of the spatula, right on the edge of the canvas and across the top. I would like to get rid of that canvasy edge. I think I'm going to need a little more paint. And where is that? Do I want any? Yeah, I'm going to put some dioxazine purple in there too. I'm going to do the same thing I just did elsewhere. Put some paint right over the side. And push it over the top. Whatever color it is, it'll be fine. It's better than none. It's also better than canvas. If I'm very gentle, I can push it toward that edge. I really don't want canvas showing. But it probably would not be the end of the world either. Someday somebody's going to figure out a way to make telemarketers stop. I'm just saying now. Now I always forget that the sky's lightest at the horizon. What is that thing? Come here, thing. Whatever you are. If I fill in my dark spot, then I should be able to run the spatula right across. Without too much problem. I don't know what that thing was in there. My top's not looking too awful bad. My edges are mostly covered. And I am going to start, in spite of the fact that I wish it were black, I'm going to start with some of my Mead White. And I'm just going to give myself permission . Put a bunch of colors down. That was open too. And then I'm going to use that purple. Where'd it go? It's probably right. Well, I guess the Prussian blue will do too. The Prussian blue is not open. It must be time to quit. Didn't take much, fortunately. I'm going to use a little bit of the dioxazine purple with iridescent pearl fine mixed into it. I see that. Darn. I guess we're going to have some high mountains. Which might still turn out okay. It has occurred to me that I did not have enough paint to cover my bottom last time. And if I want enough paint, I'm going to have to do something about it. I've got some... Oh, if you guys want to know colors, just ask me. This is an emerald green from Decor Americana. I'm obviously not worried too much about using my swipe card, although it's not completely beyond the realm of possibility that it could still happen. The Maiden White sells, and that's why I like it. I am making a little bit of muck. I don't want that canvas there. I'm going to have to grab a new spatula. Or I could come back tomorrow and put a nice pink cloud in there. I wanted to put some silver in this one. Maybe there'll be another one with silver. Just a spatula escape. That looked like a lake. I just got rid of the lake. Oh well. If I want, I can definitely grab the acetate. If I want, I could make my mountains go up there. And that way, I wouldn't have to worry about that naked spot. Well, it's not brown mud, it's mountain colored mud. I think I'm okay with this. I still want to try the acetate though. If I were going to put trees, where would I put them? That looked like there was a cloud descending over the mountain. Just nudging it up, pulling it back. Wondering if I want a little blue. Or some of that chrysocolla from Color Art. It's a prism pour. I might be sorry I do this. Might not. Okay, so now it's up to me to put trees in there if I want trees. And break up that hard line if I want to break up that hard line. Which will just add dimension and depth. I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which means if I leave my paint heavy someplace, then it won't crack. I'm going to wipe off the residuals from my spatula along the edge of my canvas with my finger and my spatula, and anything else that's handy that has paint on it. I think I want to do my usual trick and use my tweezers to just push up some trees or whatever. And grab that little thing that fell off them. I should put a little bit of paint into a dish dip my tweezers in. If I pull them down, up and down, it makes the height of the tree. If I pull them sideways, it makes the foliage. I will eventually find another tool that works better. But for right now, this is working just fine for me. Might not be working as well for you with my head in the way. And that's another thing you could do the next day is add trees. Because the chances of them bleeding in are pretty good. They don't have to be realistic. They just have to give the impression of something. So that's that. At least stage one. I'm not sure what's going to happen. I see a gap. I'm going to stick my finger in there. I'm going to grab a little bit of something, something. I might stick more than my finger in there. I still want to play. Gosh. Okay, so I've got some black. I kind of miss doing Floetrol swipes. Kind of think I should have rounded the corner on that. But I've got some better texture than I had. Yeah, I'm just going to mess with the layers a little bit. I think it is what it is for right now. I think I just noticed that I had UFOs in my sky again, and somebody likes them, but it's not me. I mean, I don't hate UFOs or anything, but I don't actually want them in my sky and my escapes. Looks like the sun is setting over there. What do I want to do about that? I want purple. I want dark purple. That's the blue. And I have a recently broken in skewer. Not sure what all that is, but give it a little match on the other side maybe. Got some clouds in the gully. I guess if I have some clouds I want to put them in tomorrow, unless I'm feeling very brazen. Oh, let's be completely out there. Use some of that maiden white right in there and see what happens. And yes, you can see that because I did that upside down. That just makes me want more of those. I do. I want more. kind of don't have any of that same purple over here, so I'm going to give myself a little bit. Little dab will do ya, I think. Not sure about that spot there. Looks like we have a cloud on the mountain. A little more of that pink. Wondering if I should throw a little tiny tadpole of orange in there. I've got 2 minutes to tell you that I do sell my artwork, and my email address is below the video underneath the link tree. The link tree's got my Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter links, Facebook groups, my website, and a way for you to contribute through PayPal or Patreon. If you would like to be in the monthly drawing, you'll be automatically entered. You can see the prizes on the end screen video. It's an exhibition video. I want more white. I want to bury my mountain. Bury my mountain in clouds. I think I'm happier with that mountain buried. Put some low-hanging clouds on the horizon too. Alright, I'm happier with that, getting rid of the top of that mountain. It was kind of messing with my head anyway. So, it is what it is. It's a landscape. Please give me a thumbs up. When you like my videos, you help my placement on YouTube. When you watch them longer, you do even more than that. You definitely help me. Your comments keep my morale boosted, but they also help. If you watch the video when the notifications come out, that's a huge assistance also. If you are interested in supporting the studio and you can't support me through joining the monthly drawing, and there are paintings always available on the monthly drawing, then watching longer and sharing. Please share my videos if you are inclined. My community board is on my YouTube channel, and it has tomorrow's video. Also on the Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, you will usually see tomorrow's video. If you guys have questions for me, please feel free to ask me. If you have anything to purchase on Amazon and you want to shop my Amazon link, it is on the link tree along with my, the Amazon link has my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Thank you guys for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Don't forget I have over 1,800 videos. If you need a link or you have a question, ask me and I will share my information with you as I have it. I love you guys. I have over 91,700 subscribers as of today. If you're new, please be welcomed. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you are subscribed, thank you for being here. I love you guys. Phew! I think I got it all out. Oh, Teespring Clothing, another video. If you ever want to see anything that I've produced added to my Fine Art America or Pixels.com or the Teespring Clothing, just mention it to me through an email and I will do my best and I'll get back to you. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying this is the end of my day. Bye for now. Maybe I'll see you later. 3:15 p.m. in the afternoon, and on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights at 10 p.m. also. I post videos. See ya. I love you. Bye.